defend themselves. So
but I'm telling you, I can give you an example. I don't want to name on a particular issue. When I said that you name one investigator, one ombudsman which has executive powers over an investigating body outside the sphere of the executive, that example didn't come. So the anchor asked, "What's your solution?" I said, "Make it accountable to a parliamentary committee," and that person agreed. But in another program the next day, that person didn't want to even discuss that issue.
Well, it's an interesting media story as well, which I think is something we need to analyze later once the immediate political story dies down. Rahul Srivastav joins us on the phone line now to first tell us about this latest news update from Parliament. Rahul, why is the debate at 2 o'clock?
See, perhaps there was this meeting between top leaders of the Congress party with Mr. Pranab Mukherjee that included also leaders like Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav and RJD leader Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. And after the consultation, there has been a decision that the debate start at 2 o'clock. Perhaps also there is a view that there is some need, because Sushma Swaraj, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, has moved several amendments to the Lokpal bill, and principal among them being on the issue of reservation, both in terms of reservation in terms of the Lokpal panel and also in the search committee. Sushma Swaraj has asked for the fact that this minority word should totally be deleted, and this has perhaps emerged as a major bone of contention between the government and the principal opposition party, that the opposition party is saying the two main elements of the bill are against the basic tenets of the constitution, that is reservation for minorities in the Lokpal panel, and also the appointment of Lokayukt, in which the central law will become eventually binding on all the states, perhaps of forcing the states to amend their own respective legislations. And they are saying that since these two are against the tenets of constitution, the BJP will not be in a position to support the government as far as the constitutional amendment to give constitutional powers to Lokpal are concerned. And given the fact, because of this, and amendments have already been moved, perhaps some level of consultations could be required, though we are waiting for an official word what are the exact reasons why the debate has been shifted. Also, what we are hearing, that the government is keen to take up other bills which were to be taken up along with the Lokpal bill, which is the whistleblowers bill. And perhaps because of that fact that since the whistleblowers bill, the constitutional amendment bill and the Lokpal bill, all three have to be taken up in these coming 3 days, perhaps for consultations and other purposes. Till now the official word is yet to come, but the unofficially sources are saying the principal reason is that shifting of the debate is because of the need for more discussion.
And that, I guess, would mean, Rahul, that then since they've set aside 8 hours at least for this debate, it will go on till late tonight.
Yes, what we are hearing that once the debate starts, the allocated 8 hours will take place. And perhaps that means that the MPs will be sitting till late in the night discussing and debating the slew of bills, the 3 important bills which are to be taken over Parliament.
All right, Rahul Srivastav, thanks very much for that update. So the big story right now that's developing is that the Lokpal debate that was scheduled to start at 11 o'clock has now been put off till 2 o'clock this afternoon, as various sticking points remain as the government tries to hold